What is up, Team Tiarrea B? If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I'm Tiarrea B, and I'm just doing me. And in today's video, as you can see, we're unboxing my Keurig machine. This is my very first one. I'm finally upgrading from your traditional coffee maker, and I'm so excited. Here you will see I have a 3-month brew cleaning kit, and we don't need that right now, so we'll just keep moving. I also picked out some flavors. I love caramel latte and just the caramel flavor in my coffee, so I got this one here from the donut shop, and then I got one from Dunkin' Donuts. This one is called caramel coffee cake. And man, that cake looks good on top of that cup, so I had to have it. These two flavors came free with my coffee maker, so I was very excited to be able to get those 2 boxes for free, and I had a really good deal. Everything I was able to get: the coffee maker, the cleaning product, as well as the 2 boxes of coffee. And so here you'll see there is just an instruction manual. We'll get into that a little bit later. And so now I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out and show you guys how nice this thing is. I absolutely love the color. I'm sure you can see by the thumbnail. It's just a burgundy-ish red color. It matches perfectly with the theme of my kitchen. And so I'll show you guys my whole setup at the end of this video. So I definitely hope that you will stay tuned till the end. But look at this. It's really nice. It's already put together. There's just a few pieces of tape that I'm going to have to peel off to be able to use it. But it's pretty easy to use. There is the opening for, you can put the pods right there. All right, and to the right, it has the buttons to help you to maneuver around the machine. There is buttons for small, medium, and large, power button, off, heating, and you can add water. It tells you when to add water. And definitely excited about this new purchase. It's so shiny. It's almost like a kid with a new toy. Look here on the sides where you would put the water. So here in a second, I'll get everything ready to go. See, I've taken all the tape off for you. And it's plugged up. And it's blue because I still need to add the water. All right, so as we go down to the bottom, as you can see, there is a drip tray. And it looks really nice. I like the star in the middle. And it's very easy to remove in case you want to add a bigger cup there. Like I use this mug right here when I want to travel around the house or outside of the house with my coffee. So I love, love, love that feature. That's one of the things that sold me on this particular Keurig. I got this from their website, and I'll post their website link below. It's not sponsored, but I definitely think you should take a look if you don't have a Keurig and you've been interested in it. This is definitely one that is really, really nice and affordable. Like I said, I got everything on a good sale. Everything was under $150. I think I got it at 40% off, and the Keurig little pods were free. So super exciting. And then here you have this this is my cup that I have available on my TeeSpring website. Definitely want to take a look at that. It says Team Tiarrea B on the front, and then on the back it just says you got this. Always remember, you got this. And yes, so this link from my TeeSpring store will be in the bio. And then here I'm just showing you how you can kind of switch it up if you want bigger or smaller to help out with your preference for the day. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and get into it. I'm just kind of figuring out, how to maneuver. It looks like this just kind of comes off and then it snaps right back on. So super easy. I will be pulling out the instructions here in just a moment as well. But I wanted to just open it up and just see how much water it actually holds. I think that this is an awesome purchase. Look at this picture. And here are my instructions. So just to skim through real quick, it's just basically telling me to brew a clean cup of water first. So don't insert the K-cup pod just yet. And then place the mug underneath so that you can just pull the fresh water first and then go ahead and make you some coffee. So that's exactly what we're about to do right now. With all the lights on and now blinking, it's ready. So we're going to run the first cup for just water, and that's just going to help give the coffee machine just one quick run through. And I must say, this is very, very quick when it comes to brewing. My coffee maker I had before, it would take at least a couple of minutes to get the coffee, a full pot of coffee going. And so I'm glad that I'm able to just make it by the cup because I'm the only one in the house who really drinks coffee like that. And so it's really nice to be able to just make 1 cup of coffee super quick, right? All right, so now we're getting into the actual pods. This is the one I decided to try first. This is the caramel coffee cake. I must say it's pretty amazing. By the time you see this video, I've probably used this Keurig machine probably about 10 times just because I sometimes have 1 or 2 cups of coffee depending on how hectic my day is. I do a lot of working behind the scenes for my YouTube channel, so sometimes my days can go well over 10, 12 hours. All right, so now we're ready. It's blinking. We're going to go ahead and hit the medium size cup. And I find that this works just perfect for this size mug.